This is the tutorial for task number 2 in Google Slides. Now that we have created our title slide, let's add our first slide. Over here on the menu bar, you see the plus sign for new slide. You can also do Control M to add a slide. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and the standard slide that's added is a title and one text box. On the bar, you'll see the menu, the layout button. Click Layout, and you'll see the various different slides that you can have. For this slide, let's add title and 2 columns. You'll see that my slide has been changed. Now let's title our slide. This is Task 2, same features as Google Docs. So now we're going to look at some of the same features that Google Docs and Google Slides share. On the Insert menu, you'll see Insert Image. You can upload your pictures or search from the web, just like what we did in Google Docs. I'm going to search for University of Memphis, and I'll use this picture this time. I'll click on it to add it to my slide. Now that's obviously too big, so I can resize my picture. One thing that Google Slides has is it has bars that the red lines that you see will pop up. This is helping you align the image with other things that are on the page. I can also align it in the center, and I'm going to bring it down a little bit farther, right about there. That should be okay. I know it does overlap with these 2 text boxes, and we can move those if we need them. Up at the top, you can also see the Arrange button up here, where you can center the item on the page horizontally, vertically. The align horizontally and vertically is if you're aligning it with 2 other objects, and you can rotate the picture as well. So in our first text box, let's go ahead and add the text University of Memphis. In Google Docs, what we were doing with this text was we were hyperlinking it to the website. If I select the text and click on the link icon here, it will start to pull up websites that I need, just like it did in Google Docs. Let's go ahead and look at some of the text formatting features. I can select my text to change my font, my size, and my color. Change these features to where it is something obviously different than the rest of the page. Another feature that you also have in Google Slides is adding a comment. Let's select the University of Memphis text, and you can add a comment. You can find this under the Insert menu and on the bar as well. We knew that University of Memphis is formerly known as Memphis State. There we go. Okay, so now let's look at the bulleted lists. From your document, you have now let's look at lists. In the second box over here, let's take the text that you had from your document in class and copy and paste the text here. Bullets are a great thing to use in presentations because it helps you summarize your text and you don't ever want to read straight from the slide. This would be boring for your audience. So it's always really important that you have short summary text on your slide instead of long paragraphs or sentences. So we can apply bullets to these texts by selecting the text. I can select the 3 dots over here and go to bulleted list. And now they're all on hierarchy level 1. I can tab over to where they're on 2 or on hierarchy level 3. These are just some of the same features that you have between Google Docs and Google Slides. This is the end of task 2.